doing this? Anyway, it's also not morning. I should start that over. Hey everyone, it's Friday and we're going to IKEA. So I thought I'd vlog. I felt like vlogging. Weekend vlog, summer vlog. I don't know if this is gonna go up before Portugal or after Portugal, my final Portugal video, but definitely check out my other Portugal videos if you haven't. I feel like I'm kind of like low and I'm not sure if I actually am. Anyway, today is a sad day because I found a gray hair. It's like right here. You see it? I know, I put my hair up, half down, thought I would do something cute and different. And I found a gray hair. Wait, is that blonde? No. No, that's gray. I have to go to IKEA to lift my spirits because we're not getting any younger here. It's pretty hot today. It's like 90 something. This morning, I did some work for my internship. Yeah, that's all I wanted to note. Okay, bye. As always, follow me on Instagram. I'll put it on the screen. And now, it's time for IKEA.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star.
Is that how they said it?
Waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo.
Hey.
Stuck here in the middle.
Oh God.
You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong. But if we turn the clocks back a couple dials, we should throw them out because time ain't
Trees. Oh, they have a strawberry cone and they have a twirl. A twist.
Oh, I want a twist.
You want a twist?
Yeah. And a cone.
She said life is just a symbol for the pain that you can get through.
We're back from our IKEA adventure. Fun fact, this IKEA, well not this location, they closed the original location, but it's the first IKEA in the US.
It was? Oh,
Yeah.
that's right. Wait, you did say that once,
Yeah.
right?
So they first came, they first came to the US like here, but then eventually that one was too small, so they made this one that was bigger. It's first US IKEA, and this is the US headquarters.
Oh,
IKEA.
that's right. I think you did tell me that.
Fun fact. Oh, we saw this card to make a Lincolnberry parfait, which we're gonna do with other jam. And you don't have the card for me to show.
I left it in the trunk. I put it in the trunk.
Man. All right. Bye. I couldn't see myself that whole video, but you weren't in it, so here you
Okay.
are now. Sorry,
That's all right.
because I can't see. It's a Saturday now, and my mom and I are heading over to a little farmer's market. We're gonna check it out. That's really it for plans for this whole weekend. But it's gonna be a chill summer weekend at home, I guess. Maybe that's what I'll title this video. Just gonna hang here, see what we do. I'll take you along. Oh, that's so creepy. That's creepy. What was I saying? Oh, that I don't have plans. I watched the clips back before. My hair was not in it, so now it's in a bun. Siggy cuddles. Update, here's the card from IKEA that I said that we got. the park. It's not Primrose Hill, but what the heck is going on? But it'll do. Salads in the park. If you watch my London vlogs, you would know. Okay, I don't know who's, but when I got not sweet green. What did I get? Salad Project? Salad Project. And are you watching YouTube? Are you watching YouTube?
Stop, you're gonna call the animals.
I had Salad Project. I sat in the park.
Oh, you're not.
You always let me know. You always let me go my way. You always let me know. You never let it show my way.
It's Sunday, and as you saw, we went to the park and got sweet green and sat in the park, had a little picnic. Sweet green was good as always. Actually, you know what? It was really good. Like, it's always good, but that time I'm gonna make iced coffee now. That's pretty much it. Thought I'd take you along to make my iced coffee. Whoa, look, it's frozen. Do you see that? But that's so cool. Oh my gosh. Ice cube, almond milk.
Please don't think I'm being lazy. I lay all here in my crazy. I burn for you. Maybe one day you can save me. All of your grace, that's amazing. I'll turn and I'll stay to you. Let's take some time. Choosing won't ever stop. Drop us a line. There's no better season to climb into bed. Do all the things that we said.
Good morning. Here are my ABBA shoes. We're about to head out, do a little bit of shopping, do a food shop. Okay, just really quick, official intro today. Today is July 4th, 4th of July. Woot! I don't know what we're doing today. My mom and I are going shopping. There's a lantern fly outside my window. Ew. But as I showed you, I have my ABBA shoes on. That, if you know, in my, why am I still like this? In my packing video, I mentioned my ABBA shoes, so there they are. Okay, bye.
Nothing like your smile in the morning. Following the linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby, in your absence, life is boring. So I'll never leave. Son como las 2 de la mañana y no recuerdo el sabor que dejaban tus labios. Eran dulcitos como la miel. Y al despertar, siempre te vas. Eres fugaz, ya me acostumbré. Buscando respuestas que ya las sé. Es mejor que no vuelva aunque mi corazón te prefiere. Vivo ahogando mi pena en los labios de otras mujeres.
Loading next week. Last week's video.
Es obvio, no voy a contestar. Yo sé que eso está mal y me cuesta aceptarlo, pero lastimas, me lastimas. Y es la verdad. Me cuesta aceptarlo, pero bebé, tú lastimas.
We're going to breakfast. I'm excited. We normally don't do breakfast out. We normally do lunch, sometimes dinner out. But we're going to breakfast at a place in Philadelphia called Cake. It's really cute. It's in a greenhouse. I like the food. I like the area. And I thought I would get dressed up to go. So I have a little, well, I'll show you my outfit when I can see more. But also, I just realized it's quite a few days late. A few days. Week, 2 weeks later maybe since I last recorded. But here we are. We're gonna head out soon. I'm gonna take you along for the day. Today it's gonna be like 100 degrees. So, getting out early, doing our stuff, coming home before the peak of the... What is glittering? Oh, it's my ring. Anyway, we gotta go. So, see you soon. Here is the fit for today. My ABBA shoes, of course. A little tennis skirt and a blue button-up.
Like a camel through the needle. Everyday people are just 1,000 versions.